Tulungan nyo na po ang Pangulo. Tulungan nyo na po ang Pangulo, lahat po tayo tumulong sa Pangulo para iangat na po yung ekonomiya. Kasi kapag lagi pong may ganito na sitwasyon, negatibo yung tingin dyan eh. So baka hindi gumanda ang dating ng ekonomiya sa atin because baka puro negative ang makita ng ibang bansa.
Alam mo, Auntie Claire, nakakagalit yung sinabi mo. We are taxpayers. Every month, a part of our salary goes to the government. That's already the people's way of helping this administration. We work hard, we follow the rules, and we pay what's due. But what do we see in return? Corruption everywhere. Money that should go to schools, hospitals, and jobs ends up in the pockets of the people in power. And you say we should help the president improve the economy? But how can we do that if the problem starts with the government itself? It's not the people's job to fix the economy. It's the president's job to make sure that the people's lives get better. And if corruption continues under his watch, then he is not solving it. He is part of the reason why we are suffering. Trabaho ng gobyerno ang tulungan ang taong bayan. Hindi trabaho ng taong bayan ang saluhin ang pagkukulang ng gobyernong ito. Utang buot.